This problem is about quadratic function, and this appears in one of our exam. A quadratic function f can be written in the form f of x equals quantity x minus p quantity x minus 1, and the graph of the function passes through 312. We have three questions that follow here. If we're going to roughly estimate the figure, a quadratic function, we know that we have the roots here. One of the roots is 1 and the other is p, and it passes through 312. So if this is our Cartesian plane, we have here 1, 1, 2, 3 here. One of the roots is 1, the other is p. It could be to the left or to the right of that. But we have also another condition where one of the points is 3, 12. So 12 here. So if it looks like the parabola is positive because there's no indication it's negative here. So it looks like probably this one. Okay, if the parabola is positive. So we expect a p to be at the left of 1. Now, how do we find the value of p? Then we can use the coordinate 312. This is the same as x and the y. Also x or x and f of x. So if our x is 3, so f of 3, it must be equal to 12. And then we use this given problem where x equals 3 and f of x equals 12. So 12 equals 3 minus p and 3 minus 1. This gives us 3 minus p and 2. Okay, doing our algebra, we have 6 equals 3 minus p. Therefore, our p is equal to negative 3. So this is negative 3. Okay, done with letter A. For letter B, find the x coordinate of the vertex F. So you can use the formula. The vertex is represented as HK, where our H is also known as X, coordinate of the vertex. Now, to find, we can use this formula negative B over 2A, meaning so we have to express this in general form, that our f of x is equal to our b is 3, so x plus 3, one of the roots is 3, and x minus 1, where one of the roots is 1. And this gives us an equation which is x squared plus 2x minus 3. In this format, we can now find the value of our uh, x coordinate of the vertex, which is equal to negative of p over 2 times a. So that will be equal to that is equal to negative 1. So the x coordinate of the vertex is 1. We can also write this as v vertex negative 1 and y. Since we're not looking for y yet, we're just after this one. So the answer is a negative 1. Now for letter C, the line y equals mx minus is tangent to the curve of f. Find the value of m. Here we're going to use the calculus, finding the first derivative to find the tangent to the curve. So if this is our f of x, then the first derivative of x is equal to 2x plus 2. This is the equation of your tangent line. That's the value of the tangent or the slope. So we have to find what x is, and it is written here where your x is equal to 1, which is the root of this number. So our tangent, which is m now, is equal to 2 times 1 plus 2. So m equals 4. How correct is this answer? Let me show you the graph of this function. So let's have this. Okay, let me show this. Okay, so this is the parabola is the red one. F of x equals x plus 3, x minus 7. I already substituted the value to verify the correctness of the answer, where our roots are 1 and -3. That's the value of p. And you also have the graph passing through 3 to also correct. And then we have also the vertex x coordinate as -1. And substituting this 4, we know that our slope is 4 passing through x1. This is the line that has that slope. So there you have it. Stand by for the next for the stand by for the answers to the next problems that we encounter during the test. You may subscribe so you'll get updated. Goodbye, everyone.